Okay, this is absolutely something that I have been waiting for. Um, it's Bulova's. Well, let's see what it is, because for real, I've been eyeing on this piece for a long time. I was looking at those 70s drivers watches and came up a few originals, but obviously difficult to find any proper ones, and yeah, quite quite a hassle to renovate any one of those used 70s, and they were not that expensive watches, so they are not built with the best possible parts. So this release was something that was really expecting, and now it's here. Let's see what is inside. Yep, all original, and here we go. I was looking at those different color variants. I mean, the box is not any premium, but it's not a premium watch as such, so it's actually a little bit of a fun thing to add to your collection. I I definitely, this is exactly what I was for. It's what I was looking for. It's I would say it's absolutely funny watch. I can imagine one of my friends are gonna say about it. Let's put it on. Yeah, it's absolutely as corny as I was expecting it to be, and totally eye catcher. And this kind of summer watch. I was thinking about the black one, but obviously that would have been a little bit more versatile. But this golden one is like, I don't know, I couldn't resist it. Sweet. Okay. Let's see if we can get it running. Oh, yep. It's absolutely hilarious. Yeah, I have to just shorten the strap and that will be fine. The build quality, I mean, I guess it's something that you could expect in this price point. It's not any sort of premium, as I was saying. You can a little bit feel those rough edges here. Definitely not that super comfy, and but for the price, you know, I think it's pretty alright. Yeah, I'm gonna have some fun with this one for sure.